Emily. Yeah, you growl back at that dog. Give him a hug. Can you give him a hug? Oh, give him a hug. Can you give him a kiss? Give him a kiss. Oh, look at the baby love. He's such a pretty boy, isn't he? Such a pretty husky. Oh, look at the love. Are you loving your puppy? Are you loving your puppy? That's a big dog, huh? Big Mom, he's huge. Okay. Aww, you giving the puppy love? Aww, you're just hugging the puppy. Oh, you gonna pet the puppy? He's a big guy, huh? Go. Okay, I'm gonna say bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye?